Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello.
Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. And next we'll do our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high to the sky. And then stretch down low, touch our toes. And then stretch back up high. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And while we're there, let's have a wave. And then back down to touch our toes again. And next, stand with our hands on our hips. And now we'll give ourselves a wiggle. Stop. And now we'll do another wiggle. Stop. Now, round and round. Round and round. Round and round. And stop. Next, round and round the other way. Let's go back the other way. Let's go back the other way. Excellent, guys. Let's shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. Excellent. And to finish, we will do 5 jumps up into the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So who can tell me what we began learning about in the previous math lesson?
Money.
Money. Excellent. That was right, guys. So how do we spell money? M-O-N-E-Y. Money. And in the last lesson, we learned how to match money with flags. So what 2 types of organizations did we look at? Countries. Excellent. How do we? C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S. Countries. And we also did another word for money. Can anybody remember another word for money? Currency. That's excellent. Countries and currency. C-U-R-R-E-N-C-Y. Money, countries, and currency. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to practice this vocabulary again and also move on to write the amounts of notes too. So let's close our eyes, guys. Okay, and now we can open our eyes. So Pat, once again you have a flag. Can you bring it and show it to your friends? Excellent. Can you hold it up high to show your friends? What country is this flag from?
Thailand.
Thailand. Okay, so can we place Thailand high up? We're going, excellent. Now guys, can you remember how do we spell Thailand again? Let's help. Thailand. Excellent. Well done, Pat. The name of our country again? Thailand. High five. Big round of applause. Round of applause for Pat. Now, let's do another country. Okay, now who has the flashcard? Ned, come and join me at the front. Ned, come and show your friends your flag. What country does this flag belong to, guys?
America.
America, well done. So Ned, can we place America somewhere here? Yes, quite high up. There we go, that's excellent. Now, underneath the flag, let's help Ned write the name of the country. So how do we spell America, guys? A-M-E-R-I-C-A. America.
America.
Ned, that was excellent. Can we say America?
America.
Perfect. High five. Big round of applause for Ned. Well done. Let's see. More countries. We have more flags. Okay, let's open our eyes. Okay, guys, so what country is this flag from?
China.
China is right. So, Chu, can we put our flag on the board? Excellent. That's great. And now, how do we spell China, guys? Chu, can you write for us? C-H-I-N-A. Excellent. Well done, Chu. So one more time, guys. China.
China.
Excellent. Big high five for Chu and a round of applause. And we have one more place. That's not quite a country, it's a group of countries. Does anybody remember the name? Europe. Excellent. This is the flag of Europe. And you can see it's a blue flag with yellow stars. Each star represents a country in Europe. Can anybody think of any countries in Europe? Spain, Italy, Germany, places like that. So, can you help me spell Europe, guys? How do we spell Europe? E-U-R-O-P-E. Excellent. So we have our 4 places on the board now. We have Europe, America, Thailand, China. These are our countries. So now it's time for our currencies. And this time, what we're going to do with our currencies is we're going to write the amounts underneath. Okay, guys? So what we need to do is have a look at the amounts on our banknotes and write them underneath in the correct country. So let's close our eyes. Okay guys, you can open your eyes now. Prel, what currency do you have? Bring it forward and show it to your friends. What currency is this, guys? What's the currency? It's BAHT. And what country does it belong to?
Thailand.
Thailand. Okay, so where shall we place it on our board? Place it here. And now, let's have a look closely at our banknote. How many baht? Is it 20 baht?
No.
50 baht? 100 baht. So now, I'd like Prel to write the amount underneath with the currency.
BAHT.
Excellent. BAHT. And then here, can you write 100? ONE. Excellent. 100. HUNDRED. Excellent, Prel. So one time, all together, 100 baht. Excellent, guys. Prel, high five. Big round of applause for Prel. And now we'll do our next currency. Okay guys, you can open your eyes now. Lakgao, what currency do you have? Can you show it to your friends? Does anybody remember what currency this is? Dollars. What country does dollars come from?
America.
America is right. So where shall we place it on our board? We shall place it under the American flag. And once again, how many dollars can you see?
100.
$100. So Lakgao, can you write the amount for me? You can write here or underneath. So 1 ONE 100 UNDREE. Excellent. And then our currency, dollars, DOLLARS. Perfect, Lakgao. That's brilliant. $100. High five. Big round of applause for Lakgao. Well done. So who's next? Open your eyes, please, guys. Nadia, come and join me at the front. Okay, and you can hold up high. What currency is this? Euro. Where do we think the euro comes from?
Europe.
Europe is correct. So Nadia, can we place it here? Excellent. And then, again, how many euros can you see?
100.
100 is right. So Nadia, can you write 100 euros? You're welcome. ONE. And then 100, guys. HUNDRED. 100. And how do we spell euros? EUROS. Have an S at the end. ROS. Perfect, Nadia. So all together, guys, 100 euros. Perfect, Nadia. Excellent. High five. Big round of applause. And we have one more currency to do. So let's see who can do it. Pak Bung, can you come and join me at the front, please? Okay. What currency is it, guys? Does anybody remember what country does this come from? China. Do we remember how we say the yuan? Yuan. How many yuan can you see? 100. So where will we place it on our board? Underneath China. Excellent. And then, Pak Bung, can you write 100 yuan? O-N-E. 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D. And yuan, Y-U-A-N. And one more time, guys. 100 yuan. 100 yuan. Excellent. Pak Bung, high five. Big round of applause for Pak Bung. Well done, guys. So one more final time. Let's practice speaking together. Europe. 100 euros.
100 euro.
America.
America.
$100.
$100.
Thailand.
Thailand.
100 baht.
100 baht.
China.
China.
100 yuan.
100 yuan.
And this is a reputation of money through countries and currencies. Okay, guys, so very well done. Round of applause. And now it's time for our PowerPoint presentation so that we can have a look at some money vocabulary again. So let's all turn to have a look at the TV screen, guys. So let's take a look at our PowerPoint presentation about money vocabulary. So, what can you see in the picture? Money. What type of currency is it? From America? Dollars. Excellent. How many dollars is on each banknote? Can you read there? 50. This is a $50 banknote. Lots of them, so I think lots of money. And another type of money is coins. Yes, you can see the round metal objects we sometimes carry around are known as coins. So the two forms of money, banknotes and coins. Yes. Does anybody know what currency this is? BAHT. What country has the BAHT? Thailand. Let's see, let's count the banknotes. How many baht is this? 100 baht, similar to the flashcards activity. But how about this one? 500 baht. And then this one here, 1,000 baht. So you can see different banknotes have different amounts on them, and they're usually different colours. And what are these types of money called? Are these banknotes? No, they're coins. Okay. How many baht is this coin? 10 baht. How about this one?
5 baht. 2 baht. 1 baht.
And then, smaller than a baht, we have satang. 50 satang.
25 baht.
Yes, and these are coins. What country do we use these coins? Thailand. And in America, we use dollars. And you can see the coins in America are also known as cents. Yes, dollars and cents. How about this currency? Does anybody remember the name?
Euro.
Euro. And where will we use the euro, guys?
Euro.
Europe, yes. You can remember by the name. How many euro is this banknote?
500.
500 euros. How about this one?
200 euros.
And this one?
100 euros. 50 euros.
20 euros.
10 euros. 5 euros.
Excellent. Do you notice the way that for each amount the colours are different? So that people don't get confused. They have a different colour for each amount on the banknote. And does anybody remember what the coins are called sometimes? We have the 2 euros,
2 euros.
1 euro.
1 euro.
And when we get smaller than 1 euro, we have 50 cents.
50 cents.
20 cents,
20 cents.
10 cents,
10 cents.
5 cents,
5 cents.
2 cents,
2 cents.
and the smallest amount of money in Europe is
1 cent.
1 cent. The yuan. What country will we use the yuan?
China.
China. How many yuan can you see in this banknote? 100. And what about the amounts of yuan on these coins? 1 yuan. Usually you will see banknotes are for large amounts of money. Coins are for small amounts. The banknote, 100 yuan. The coin, how many yuan? 1. So we need 100 coins for 1 banknote. And now for our quiz. Are you ready?
Ready.
What is this currency?
Dollar.
Dollars. Well done, guys. How many dollars?
100.
And which country does it belong to again?
America.
America. Excellent. Dollar. How about this currency?
Euro.
Euro. The euro comes from where? Europe. How many euros can you see on this banknote?
100 euro.
100 euro. Correct, guys. What about this one?
100
100 baht. And which country does it belong to?
Thailand.
Thailand. Very good. And finally, we have the yuan again. How many?
100.
And which country does it belong to?
China.
China. The yuan. Any questions, guys?
No.
Excellent. Well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation so that they can practice further the money and associated vocabulary. And now it's time for our stretch sequence, guys. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And for this sequence, we're going to have a game of Teacher Says. So listen carefully. If you hear Teacher Says, you can do. If Teacher doesn't say, don't do. So, everybody, hands on head. Touch your knees. Touch your shoulders. Teacher says, touch your toes. Teacher says, hands on hips. Teacher says, hands on head. And have a wiggle. Teacher says, have a wiggle. Stop. Teacher says, stop. Okay. Teacher says, jogging on the spot. Teacher says, quickly. Stop. Teacher says, stop. Turn around. Teacher says, turn around. Teacher says, turn back the other way. And then turn around again. Teacher says, go into a little ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump. No, teacher says, jump. Excellent, guys. Teacher says, sit down. Okay, and now it brings us to the worksheet part of the lesson. So teachers, what you'll need to do for this lesson is print off one of these worksheets for each of your students. And what we're going to do is we're going to give our students a worksheet each. They need to cut out the coins and colour them so that they're in preparation to play a game. And remember guys, all of the amounts of coins need to be the same colour. So we have 10. Can we say guys, 10, 25, 50. So we need to cut out all of our coins and we need to colour the 10s all the same colour. 25s a different colour but all the same. And 50 a different colour again, but make sure they're all the same. And give our students around 15 minutes for this activity and then we're ready to play the game. So Nadia, for you. Pak Boom, you're welcome. Ned,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And Chew, for you. Okay guys, so cut out your coins first of all, and then remember, all of your 10s need to be the same colour. And your 25s the same colour too. And then a different colour for your 50s. And then we're ready to play the game. So you can decide on the colours yourselves, but you need to make sure that all the amounts are the same colour. So Nadia, you're going for orange for your 10s. Very good. Or yellow. Okay. Yellow or orange. Ned, yes, you can colour in. Okay. So all of your 10s need to be purple. Yes. And Pat's gone for green for his 10s. Very good. You can colour them in however you want, guys, but make sure all of the amounts are the same colour. So all your 10s, one colour, all of your 25s, another colour, and your 50s. Okay, so excellent, Chew. So all your 10s need to be brown, this colour, okay? And then another colour for your 25s. And then we're going to play a game where you have to calculate. Okay, now our students have cut out all of their paper coins and coloured them, and we're ready for the game activity. We have 3 different number value of coins, guys. What do we have? We have 10, 25, 50. So what we're going to do now is play a game. I will write a number on the board, and what our students need to do with the paper coins on their desk, they need to calculate that number and present them at the front of their desks. The first student who can successfully do it will win a point. Are we ready, guys? So for example, we don't have to do it this time, but for example, if I was to write 100, you could do it by using 50 plus 50. Or another way you could do it is 50 plus 25 plus 25. But we want to do it the quickest way. So I think 50 plus 50 would win. Do you understand, guys?
Yes.
Are you ready to play?
Yes.
Okay, then get ready for your first number. $225.
Finish. Finish.
Who did I hear lack out first?
Finish.
So what do we have?
Finish. Finish.
50, 50, 50, 50, 25. Lack out, that's excellent. That's 1 point for lack out. Round of applause for lack out. So let me see, I will write lack out's name here. Ready, guys? $285.
Finish.
Who's finished?
Finish.
Okay, Prel. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 25, 10 equals 285. So that's a point for Prel. Big round of applause for Prel, guys. Teachers, you can see the game and activity that we're playing in our class. What you can do now is pause the video and play with your own class for around 10 more minutes until the end of the lesson. And we're going to play some more here. So are you ready, guys? Have you got your paper coins ready? Next number coming up. Let's have a low number this time.
Finish.
35. How did you get to 35?
25. 10.
Okay. So that's another point for Prel. Let's see, what can we do? How about 360?
Finish.
Lack out. How did you get to 360?
50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 10, 25, 25.
Excellent, very well done. So lack out on 2 points. Prel on 2 points. Ready for your next number, guys? Let me see, think of a number. $130.
Finish.
Let's see, I had two together. 130. How did you get there, Pak Bung?
50, 50, 10, 10, 10.
Equals?
130.
Okay, Pak Bung. Next number, let me see.
Finish.
Lack out and Prel both at the same time. How did you get there?
25, 10. 50, 10.
Excellent. Two ways to get to the same number. 25, 25, 10 or 50, 10 equals 16. Well done, guys. So that's another point each for both together. Okay, let's have another last number now.
Finish.
Really? How did you get there, Prel? 50,
50, 50, 50, 50, 10.
Excellent. 105. 105. Who can be the first to 105? Who can work out to get there? $105. That's 100. You need 5 more. Can you get to 105? Who can? I'll give you a clue. The 2 coins you need for 105, 25 and 10. You need to use these 2. 50s is too big. 50, 75, 85. We need 105. Not yet there. 50, 25, 85. Not yet there.
Finish.
50, 75, 85, 95. You need one more.
Finish.
Now you have 105. Let go. How did you do? 25, 50, 75, 85, 95, 105. Oh, but Prel, you win the point. Okay, let's see. How did you get there? 50, 75, 85, 95, 100. Excellent, Net. Net can have a point too, because that was good. Now, next number. Let's think of another tricky one. $245.
Finish.
Okay.
Finish.
100, 200, 25, 35, 45. Nadia, excellent. Pak boom. 100, 200, 25, 35, 45. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, well for this one, I think Nadia got there. Okay, next one. $500.
Finish.
100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Lakgau, well done. Let's see. $20.
Finish.
Chu, excellent. Chu had his 2 10s there very quickly. $185. 100.
Finish.
185. Excellent, guys. So, you've all done very, very well. Can we all have a round of applause, please? And teachers, that brings us to the end of the lesson. So we hope you've enjoyed it and had some good fun with your students playing the game at the end. This is a good way to have your students calculate different numbers using paper coins. So we'll see you again for the next lesson. Can we all turn to wave and say goodbye, guys?
Goodbye.
Bye bye. See you again next time.